everyone, I am Archisa Ratn and I have secured All India rank of 300 in CLAT 2023. I was enrolled in the Career Launcher program of 2 years at the center of Dwarika, and I am here to express my gratitude to the Career Launcher team who made sure that I was able to fulfill my dream of getting into a top NLU. Firstly, I would like to express my gratitude to the whole faculty. Suhasini ma'am, Kandarp sir, Arunag sir and Vijay sir, all of them made sure that all my concepts and doubts were clear and even made their lessons interesting by adding real life examples and fun facts. Secondly, a huge thanks to the material provided by Career Launcher along with their GK classes, quizzes and games. These made sure that my preparation was on track and it was even more interesting. So, all in all, a big thanks to Career Launcher who made sure that I was able to fulfill my dream. Thank you.